Hey everyone, in this guide we are going to learn how to start an online business. We'll use Shopify to build our store. Shopify is like a pre-built website for selling things online. It's super easy to use. We'll also be using dropshipping. Dropshipping means we don't need to keep any products in stock ourselves. When someone orders from our store, we'll buy it from a supplier and they'll ship it directly to the customer. Cool, right? This means we can start our business with very little money. We don't need to buy lots of products up front. We only pay for products when someone orders them. This makes dropshipping a lot less risky than traditional businesses. In the next section, we'll go through the steps to create your very own Shopify account. Get ready to start your online business journey. First things first, you need to create a Shopify account. This is where you'll build and manage your online store. Don't worry, it's super simple. Just go to the Shopify website and click on the Start Free Trial button. You'll need to enter some basic information, like your email address and a password. Choose a name for your store, something catchy that reflects what you'll be selling. Shopify gives you a free trial to test everything out. You don't need to enter any payment information until you're ready to launch your store. This gives you plenty of time to explore and get familiar with the platform. Once you've created your account, Shopify will take you to your store's dashboard. This is where you'll control everything. Think of it as the control center for your online business. Now comes the fun part, adding products to your store. Since we're dropshipping, you don't need to worry about storing or shipping any inventory. You'll partner with a dropshipping app that connects you with suppliers. There are many great dropshipping apps available on the Shopify App Store. One popular option is Oberlo. Oberlo lets you easily import products from AliExpress directly into your Shopify store. Once you've connected a dropshipping app, you can start browsing products to add to your store. Choose products that you're passionate about and that you think people will love. Remember to write clear and compelling product descriptions. High-quality images are also essential. The goal is to make your products irresistible to potential customers. Having a custom domain name makes your store look professional and trustworthy. It's like having a real street address for your online business. We'll use GoDaddy to buy a domain name. Go to godaddy.com and search for the domain name you want. Try to choose something short, memorable, and relevant to your store. Once you've found the perfect domain, add it to your cart and complete the checkout process. Now it's time to connect your new domain to your Shopify store. Log into your Shopify dashboard and go to the domain section. Click on Connect Existing Domain and follow the simple instructions. And that's it. You've successfully connected your custom domain to your Shopify store. Now, when people type in your domain name, they'll be taken directly to your online shop. Congratulations, you're well on your way to building a successful online business.